Banga. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a deep bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, oh, baguette.
This is Tirana Loves. Hi loves, so welcome back. We are all ready to step out. This is my outfit for the day from Catch Me UK. My sneaker from Nike. Then me from mommy, God, daddy, everyone. So yeah, that's the baby girl. We're waiting for the one coming to pick us, then we will step out. So this is day 2 in Albania, Tirana. This is the Parliament of Albania, which practices unicameralism and was founded on the 27th of March in 1920. This beautiful multi-purpose stadium, known as Arena Combatare, has a seating capacity of about 22,500 and was officially opened on the 17th of November 2019. The mosque of the Ottoman Empire. This is the center of Tirana. That's the museum there, and a monument of the one who fought against the Ottoman Empire. The opera. That one thing here, like the architecture is really nice. Like, this is Tirana Loves. There's only one in Tirana?
Yeah, that's the only one.
Okay.
It was built in the same time that the mosque was built, during the first invasion of the Ottoman Empire. And it's very, very old. It was used before to tell people when to start to pray and when to stop eating during Ramadan and when to start eating during when the iftar starts.
Yeah. Just learn something. You know, a bazaar is like a market here. Okay, so in our previous video, I showed you the old bazaar in Kruja. Today we'll be seeing the old bazaar in Tirana. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. Okay.
In front.
Ministry of Defense. Okay.
And on the other side we have the Central Bank of Albania.
There's the Bunk'Art. Guys, I'm currently in the Bunk'Art. There's the Bunk'Art Museum, and they are mentioning the names of the people on the walls. Museum is underground, so it's down here. Amazing, right? Yes. The Orthodox Church in Nana. Meant in honor of the natural.
Of Tirana, one of the castles.
Okay.
This is inside the city, but there are a lot of other castles that's all around Tirana.
The castle. It has been renovated and it has shops and all that now. Has coffee shops, restaurants in here. Guys, we need to change money. The rate today is £1 is 100 for 1.17 euros. Your girl is broke. Here's how much we got for £200. Welcome to the new bazaar, which has been there since the demolition of the old bazaar in 1959.
I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I really coming. Tell me something, yes,
Here trying to get something to eat. Tirana, it looks is giving Ghana, Accra, Kumasi, like those city vibes. It's a very busy city with traffic. All things right. The architecture is so nice. Like how everything is well planned. It's nice. Like it's a beautiful place, and I can tell that they love art because they do have a lot of art pieces. So I'm going to have a typical, the normal like potatoes, meats, and all. I think that's basically what they eat here. So we're going to try that and I'll show you guys. So this is Tirana. If you're planning a trip to Tirana, then these are some of the things you should expect and the places to visit. Like water but not water. I choose Sprite because it's more like water but not water. And I say it tastes different. I say it tastes different compared to the usual taste. I mean anything goes right. Guys, this is Albania. See how happy she is to be in Tirana.
So crazy, loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me to me. I just wanna let you know.
Love. So I haven't. The last time I did an SNP was years ago. I think in 2021 or 2022. I've not done it since, and the girl needs her teeth done. So let's get it sorted at Dentour Albania because it's cheaper than where I'm coming from and Hi love, so I'm back now with the cleaning of my teeth. Do you see any difference? Said I'm going to see the difference later, but here I am now. I've enjoyed Tirana, especially the architecture, like I said, and the dentist. I'm going to leave the contact of the dentist on the screen. It's Dentour Albania. I'll leave their contact on the screen, so if you are planning a visit to Tirana, Albania, you can as well visit them. Alright, thank you all for watching my vlog, and have a nice day, or a nice time, or a nice holiday in Albania, in Tirana, wherever you visit. I love you all. Bye. Time to rest, find something to eat, then we step out in the evening to eat properly. Catch up. Guys, we're now up. Did we even sleep? I didn't sleep. I'm going to look for something to eat. Zara, Albania. Zara Tirana. Sorry. Veranda Hotel. Nice hotel. Veranda Bar. You see that look you give when a food is like does what it's supposed to do? When it hits, it makes you tired, like you want to eat but you're tired, and it's so fulfilling. That's how good this meal was. Trust me on that. Guys, do you know that thing up there? Can you see it? It's called the Sky Club. It's a restaurant and it spins from time to time. Yes, it does. Tirana at night is so beautiful with all the lights lit up, but let me bust your bubble. Do you know the Pyramid of Tirana used to be a museum? Yes, it was a museum in 1988 and became a conference center in 1991 following the collapse of the communism. Yeah, but unfortunately we couldn't get a close-up picture or video of the pyramid during the day. But I hope you enjoyed this. Day 2 is a wrap. See you guys tomorrow.